Hey, do you want to create a custom thumbnail but you don't know where to create a custom thumbnail? As a result, have you lost your audience on YouTube? That means this video is for you. Hi, I'm Mahesh. In this video, I'm going to answer two basic questions. First question is, what is the importance of YouTube thumbnail? It is important to make YouTube thumbnails as engaging as possible while using your YouTube thumbnails to tell a potential viewers what the video will be about, because YouTube is primary a visual platform where people watch videos. Viewers will look at thumbnails before they read the title of your video. However, if the thumbnail and titles don't deliver on their promise of what's in the video, viewers tend to leave almost immediately, which can limit your discoverability on YouTube. Second question: if you don't use YouTube thumbnail, will it affect your audience? Of course, it affects your audience. How? Whoever visits your YouTube channel, they do look at first your YouTube thumbnail. If thumbnail doesn't give impression to your audience, they skip to next video. That's how you lose your visitor views. That is why YouTube thumbnail is very much important. There are two ways to upload YouTube thumbnails. Go to Google Chrome, type there www.youtube.com, press on it. As soon as you type youtube.com on Chrome, the screen will be displayed on like this. Now go to your channel icon and press on it and press here there to see that YouTube Studio will be visible, and take that option and upload your custom thumbnail. And there is another option, you can upload your YouTube thumbnail also. Now go to Google Play Store and type there YouTube Studio. And if you have not installed that app, then kindly install it. Already I have installed this YouTube Studio app, therefore I am going to direct YouTube Studio app. And go to this type of option, click on there and press on video option and select video where you want to upload custom thumbnail. And soon after picking up your video, press on pencil option editing button. Then again press on editing option and pick up the custom thumbnail image from storage. So click on custom thumbnail option. Then pick up your photo, pressing like that. Fix it your photo. Then click on select option. After clicking on selecting option, the screen will be shown like this. To save the custom thumbnail, click on save option. Wait for a few minutes, my internet connection is very low. Now your custom thumbnail is successfully added to YouTube account. That's it. If you like this video, please do share or comment or like it. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe so that you will receive my new upcoming videos into your YouTube directly. Thank you for watching.